Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today, we are going to be making a video IRL with the puppies. We got a golden retriever that's 85 pounds, and if you guys don't recognize the voice, it's Tennis, Court 0105. You can call me Tennis. We got Barry. This is Barry. He's a Australian Shepherd. He is a really good boy. We got, see, he's super small. He's smaller than the couch. He likes being on camera. And then we have the golden retriever, the very, very big golden retriever. He's still a puppy. He's 85 pounds. And he's a good boy. And if you see, he is a big boy. Because if you compare my hand to his mouth, his mouth is as big as my hand. And if you look at Barry, look, this is my hand. Look at this compared to Barry. I know you want to look it, okay? But you cannot. And we're gonna have fun with them. We're gonna have a good time. So just watch this. Barry, come here. Come here, Barry. Oh. And then we got this puppy. This good boy. Good boy. He's a very, very good boy. And you see, he is pretty small. He is about, this is not his bone. This is Lucky's bone, if you don't know. This is Barry. This is Lucky. Okay? And see, Lucky's tired, okay? He's tired, he ran all day. So, come on. Come on, Luck, come on. Come. You don't want to get up? No? Barry. Hey guys, do you want to see something really, really cute? So, if you see Barry, I like to hold him sometimes like a puppy, like a very cute, he doesn't, what? And you see Lucky is 85 pounds. He is a year and 18 months old about, and he is 2 months old, and he's, I don't know, maybe 9 or 10 pounds. And when you see an 85-pound dog try to play with a 10 to 10-pound dog, it doesn't go very well. And the funny thing I want to say about Lucky is that if you see when Barry has his bone like right now, this is actually Lucky's biggest bone. It's bigger than Barry's torso. And the funny thing about this is that if Barry's chewing this bone, Lucky would pick it up and just carry it away. Like, I don't want you to chew my bone. And then you would see Barry chasing him. It's so cute and funny. But you see, if you see him, they're both boys, just want to say. And he is a very good puppy. But if you see two people hugging or something, he always wants to hug them. So he is a very good boy, and he is a very good boy. And you see, we just got him a couple days ago, Barry, or I just got him a couple days ago. And he is so cute. Come here, Barry. Look at his face. Look at his face. Not too close. Barry, I know you like the camera. I know you want to eat the camera. Look. Okay. Guys. Do you want to see where the magic happens? I'm going to unveil the camera in 1 second. I know this video is about these two guys, but do you want to see where the magic happens, where we film, where we get all of that stuff, okay? This is where it happens. Okay, and the thing is, okay, is that if you see, this is Lucky when he was a puppy. A very, very, very little puppy. So let's go to those two. Lucky wants to sleep on it. Okay? So let's just put this right here for now. And let you see Lucky while I do the berry. Okay. And then Barry comes in. You guys are so good. He's so big. Oh no. Barry! Look, you see Barry? He doesn't come if you just call him. You have to hit the floor. Barry, come here. Come here, Barry. And then you see this little puppy. Come here. Come on, Barry. Oh, see, look. Now Barry, okay. So right now he's not doing because he's chewing his bone. Look, Lucky's trying to take the bone from Barry. Whoa. Lucky got mad, but they're usually really good friends today. Guys, I'm going to end the video off here. It's only been 8 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, slap the bell so you never miss another video. Bye, guys.